my goodness. So it has been a little over a day since I've posted my first YouTube video, and I cannot say thank you enough to everyone who has been supporting me. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed, who liked the video, who commented on the video, who sent me personal messages, who shared it on their Instagram stories. Whatever you did, thank you so much. I was extremely stressed about starting the journey and putting myself out there like that. I think nails are very much my safe space and where I feel my most confident, my most comfortable, and it was a little stressful to think about putting it out there for potentially a lot of people to criticize. And I must say, you guys have been nothing but absolutely amazing, and I'm very grateful for that. So thank you very much. If this is your first time visiting the studio, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump right into it. In my previous video we did the first 2 looks of my intro, and now we're going to do the last 2 looks of my intro. The one called Classic Safari, and the other one doesn't have a name because it got really late and I was very tired. So if you have any name suggestions for my last child, comment down below. Okay, so for our Classic Safari design, we are going to start off with the pink paste ombre, just to cover that massive fringe. I mean, at the moment it's like fringe. But we're not covering it on the first layer, so that you will only do on your second layer. Right now it's very little gel on your sponge, just doing your first layer. And then only after curing that for 60 seconds you can go in with your second layer and start building the color intensity you want to cover your fringe. And remember that color intensity does matter when you're doing an ombre as well. So if you, I don't know if you guys saw it, but I had like a black dot at the back of my pinky fade. Bad fading, but that's a better fade. That's nice, not bad. And then after that I'm going in with my soft gel, very soft brush pressure, because you don't want to smudge it. On the topic of smudge, let me just talk about that. Okay, so when you're doing any ombre, it's very important to do these 8 fingers first before going in with your thumbs. The reason for that is you're sponging on a very thin layer of gel. So even though you have cured your gel, the client has cured it for 60 seconds, it's done, it's not dry in the sense of she can, you know, and it's not going to smudge. It is going to smudge, and it's not going to smudge, it's going to scrape off of the nail, completely off of the nail. And then you have to redo that entire nail. Once you wipe that nail, everything comes off. Your entire ombre comes off. You want to do these 8 fingers, cure that for 60 seconds, do your soft gel layer, wipe that with cleanser, and then only go in with your thumbs. I'm just going in and drawing the skeleton of my fringe, but I'm going to be quiet for this section because look, just look. wearing my glasses so that I can properly critique my work here. I just want to point out the fact that the smile line here is very, very thick where it ends. You want to end off with a thin line. You don't want to line. Here is my favorite part when I started doing the zebra print using my upper arch brush. But hello, sir, your finger is in the way. If you could move that, you can all see the tutorial. Can you see how thick that French is on the side? That's a very big how not to. Yeah, cover it. Cover it. That's nice about nail art. You can cover it with, you can cover your mistakes with nail art. Don't tell anyone I said that. Alright, so here is what you will need for our no-name child. When I look at this design, I feel like it looks like a road map, or maybe like a GPS. Oh my goodness, this is a circle. It's a circle. It's the GPS telling you to take the first exit. No, wait, that's the second exit. Yeah. I don't drive, okay? I'm a professional passenger. On the left, you will see a boulder, a nice boulder. If you don't get that reference, we can't be friends. See, here are the two lines on the road that tells you you can't pass each other. Is that what it means? I don't know. I got my license like 4 years ago. 5 years? 5 years ago. So this year is my 6th year and I have never driven a car. I got my license and just never used it again. Don't come for me about that. Don't do it. See, and them adding the circle. Take the second exit. Yeah. I think they came out really, really nice. It's not bad. What do you think? That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and joining me once again. I am very excited about this journey and I can't wait to see where this goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it wherever you can. If you can't, just hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button as well. Wow. YouTubers, you have a lot to say. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button, share, comment if you want to. I don't know, guys, you have options. Have fun.